So I'm going to show you how to switch between Dex mode or desktop mode and tablet mode on your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. So if you go to the multitasking mode, either by tapping on the multitasking button, or if you're using gestures, you slide and hold, you will go into multitasking mode. And to go to desktop mode or Samsung Dex, just swipe. Now, I'm only swiping because I already have a desktop setup. If you don't, then you will see this icon. So tap on that and that opens Dex mode. You can go and open another window inside Dex mode. You can see this is desktop 1. You can open another one and have desktop 2. And you can switch between the Dex modes. You can switch between the different desktops in the Dex mode. And also if you want to switch to the tablet mode, you go all the way to tablet mode and it's going to take you back into tablet mode. So you simply do that through the multitasking menu. Thanks for watching and good luck.